Learning programming is not an easy task. With the programming space being saturated, there are many new programmers entering as well as leaving the space. In this video, we'll be identifying some problems that you may not know you're even facing. Identifying these problems will be a step to becoming a better programmer. So, let's dive right into the first one. Being bad mentors. This problem may not even be your fault and can be quite frustrating. Let me preface this by saying that there are many good programmers out there. However, they may not be able to teach. If you're a university student, you may be able to relate to this one. Your professor can have a very good background, but they speak a whole lot of nothing. Sometimes your mentor's teaching style could also differ from the way you learn, creating gaps in your understanding as you are not absorbing the information as well as you could. For some, the solution could be just to change your mentor. However, if you are in a university, this could be a problem that you'll have to find a workaround for. The world of programming is constantly evolving, with new technologies being released and old ones being deprecated. Learning new technologies must be a programmer's pastime to stay up to date. But nobody wants to spend their free time learning the latest intuitive synthetic sugar SSR single-page app optimized JavaScript framework and tools. For new programmers, having to constantly be learning or be obsolete can be a daunting task. Choosing what to learn can already be a massive headache. With everyone saying to go to this or to that, it is hard for a new programmer to know what to learn. The next problem ties in nicely with this one. There is an information overload. There are many blogs, articles, influencers, and videos to guide you to making a choice. With the insane amount of new content, new programmers can find it easy to be trapped in just consuming content, unsure if their next step would be correct for them. If you're trapped consuming content and not learning, it may be time to just start. There are a lot of noise out there, but you can ignore a lot of the noise by just starting. Not sure what JavaScript framework to choose? Just pick a color or your favorite Pokemon type. Not sure what language to start with? Python. UI, UX or backend? Flip a coin. Now, if you're still here watching this video, I just want to say thank you and it means a lot. Okay, on to the next problem. This problem comes in some way, shape or form throughout your programming career. Tedious setups. Setting up your development environment and downloading the right tools can be painful, especially if you run into many errors. It can be even more frustrating if you spend more time debugging during the setup than when you're programming. More seasoned programmers may already accepted this fate, but this problem can be such a massive roadblock for new programmers. I remember spending hours finding out why my pip installation does not work. And path system variables, now what even are those? Okay, on to our last problem. This problem may be the reason why many programmers quit early. Unclear objectives. He who has a why can bear almost any how. So what if you don't have a why? You'll just become a he. To know why you're learning programming is very important. It could be because of the money. Many people do that and that is okay. Maybe you like building cool stuff and seeing LEDs flash a certain way. But having no reason to program will eventually lead you to not programming. Yes, your reasons should be strong and something you can resonate with. However, you just need to find a reason. This brings us to the end of the video. Let me know if these tips help. See ya!